Health. This has been the home of scandal and old-school theft of public funds. Jubilee says it pioneered management equipment service. From the 99 furnished container clinics, which were sold to the government at an exaggerated cost of 10 million shillings each, to the 5 billion at the Ministry of Health, that was enough to buy 16 state-of-the-art cobalt cancer-fighting equipment, to the forceful leasing diagnostic equipment for 5 billion shillings a year to county governments. Health sector has been a cash cow for the big boys in the Jubilee government. Yet the President's portal sees only sterling achievements. The county government will tell you a completely different story.